Okay. hackslayer2169. Try and open Sicilian maybe, or Morris Smith. Can I expose the weakness of the diagonal if he plays something like f6 later? He's not going to do that here, okay. Put my rook on d1. Looks fairly pleasant. d6 pressure. So maybe knight d5 now. Just for exposing the queen on c7. It's sort of thematic in this opening. Gets a lot more lines open up this diagonal E file, a lot of pressure, but I've marked this up before. It's some d5 thing, but here, I don't know, queen d3 is on g6 and d6, queen e4, I think maybe just queen d3, if knight e5 maybe takes and then queen g6 anyway is strong. d6 and g6 targeted by that move. So knight e5 takes, and then queen g6. Oh, h4 here, is that any good? Try and play bishop f7 later. If it takes, you know, knight h4. So keeping pressure on for a moment. Getting darts by bishop. Or am I just giving up d file, g file, or something? Oh, his bishop f7 is now on actually. Bishop f7 for queen g6. So bishop h4, okay, get the dart square bishop, which could be handy, I hope. What's bishop d5 here? Surely on the queen. There's rook c6. Okay. Rook c6 will add a bit more weight to g6 being attacked. Well, there's bishop e4 as well. There's bishop c6, which hits the rook. There's rook a7. Still, that looks quite attractive. Just to take on c6, and there's bishop e4. Ah, okay. What's queen f3 here? So if knight h4, maybe there's a take. Bishop e4, I take the queen. Rook d1, rook d1. Okay. So he defends. There's no tactic here. Rook d6. Bishop h4. Rook d6 looks interesting. Rook d7. For rook e7, that looks very good. Actually, rook d7. So if it takes check. Got a rook on the 7th. There's knight g6 though. There's rook takes e7 here, protecting e4. Okay, can I lose this? I hope not. Right, we resigned here. Okay. Right, so Laura Smith, a lot of pressure after knight d5. I think we've had this before, but I managed to sort of struggle. I got my pawns wrecked, but here I just went for just clear pressure, which resulted in something turning up. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.